Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Ever wondered how to prepare the perfect chicken escalope? Well, wonder no more. Today we're diving into the delightful world of this classic dish. Chicken escalope, thin slices of chicken breaded and fried to perfection, is a delightfully simple yet versatile recipe. Its appeal lies in its simplicity and the room it allows for personal twists and variations. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is sure to win hearts. So if you're ready to impress your friends and family with a delicious chicken escalope, stay tuned. Before we begin, let's gather all the necessary ingredients. For the chicken escalope, you'll need thinly minced chicken breasts, salt and black pepper to taste, flour for coating, 2 eggs, finely minced toasted bread, and oil for frying. Now, for the luscious sauce to accompany our escalope, we will need a tablespoon of butter, a minced onion, a minced garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of diced tomatoes, a tablespoon of tomato paste, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, a dash of black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, and a half a cup of chicken broth. These ingredients are all quite common and should be readily available in your pantry. If you have any dietary restrictions or allergies, feel free to substitute the chicken with tofu or any other protein of your choice. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the fun part, the cooking. To start, we'll be preparing the chicken. First, we'll need to clean and slice our chicken breasts into thin, even pieces. The key here is uniformity. The same thickness ensures even cooking. Next, we'll season these slices with salt and pepper to taste. Don't shy away from the seasoning, it's the first layer of flavor we're building. Now it's time for the coating. For that, we'll need 3 separate dishes. 1 for flour, 1 for beaten eggs, and 1 for finely crumbled toasted bread. Dip each chicken slice first in the flour, then the egg, and finally roll it in the crumbled bread. Make sure each slice is well coated. This will give us a lovely crispy crust when we fry them. And there we have it. Our chicken is prepared. With the chicken prepared, we're ready to start cooking. Now it's time to turn up the heat. First, we're going to infuse some sizzle into our chicken. Heat up a good amount of oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot enough, it's time to fry our chicken slices. We want them to turn a beautiful golden color and be cooked thoroughly on the inside. This usually takes just a few minutes on each side, but remember, the exact timing will depend on the thickness of your slices. Once they're done, transfer the fried chicken slices onto a plate lined with kitchen paper. This will help absorb any excess oil. Now let's move on to the sauce. Heat up a generous spoonful of butter in a pan over medium heat. Add in our finely chopped onion and garlic, stirring them until the onion wilts and turns a golden color. Next, throw in the diced tomatoes and tomato paste, stirring everything together for a few minutes until a smooth sauce forms. At this point, add in the sugar, salt, black pepper, oregano, and chicken broth. Stir all these ingredients well. Let the sauce simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken just right. And just like that, our chicken escalope is ready to serve. Our chicken escalope wouldn't be complete without a delicious side dish. Imagine it paired with saffron rice, its golden hue matching the crispy golden brown of our chicken. The delicate, aromatic flavor of the saffron subtly enhancing the savory taste of the escalope. Or envision it served with roasted potatoes. Their crispy exteriors and fluffy interiors providing a delightful contrast to the tender chicken. But don't stop there. Let your creativity take flight. Perhaps a vegetable-studded pilaf or a hearty mushroom and garlic rice, or maybe a creamy risotto, the richness of the rice balancing the lightness of the chicken. And when you've made your choice, plate your chicken escalope, spoon over some of that flavorful sauce we made, and add your chosen side. And there you have it, the perfect chicken escalope. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and we can't wait to see what you come up with. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking! If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.